Thinking about selling your house? If so, you're probably feeling a little excited, maybe a little nervous, and more than likely, even a little sentimental. Yeah, moving is always going to be an emotional process. We can help. Coming up, I've got 3 pieces of advice I always give sellers. 3 must-dos if you are planning on selling your house this year. Welcome, my name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker at Charles Rutenberg here in Clearwater. I tell everyone, when you know the market, then getting your best deal can be child's play and makes it kind of fun. Remember to subscribe to our channel below and you can check your home value. It's fast, it's free, it's easy, no obligation anytime at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. You can also get set up on value updates. We can send those to you 3 or 4 times a year or every month if you like. Now, back to our 3 must-dos if you're selling your house this year. The first thing you got to do is make sure to price that house right. I know it sounds obvious, but set your price a little too high, you may turn buyers away. Set it too low, of course, you're leaving money on the table. I can help you find that sweet spot based on current market value. I have 5 valuation tools and videos for you that explains every one of them. Next, keep your emotions in check. If you've lived in a house for a while, you're going to be very attached. It makes negotiations a little harder. Lean on me for that objective point of view. And lastly, you're going to want to stage your house. This means decluttering and taking down personal items. So when buyers walk in the front door, they're able to picture themselves in their new home, not your old home. Want more tips to help get ready? Let's chat anytime. Remember to subscribe to our channel below. And remember too, you can check your home's value. It's fast, it's free, it's easy, anytime at whatismyhomereallyworth.com.